Hello guys, today we will discuss about the logical operator. So what exactly logical operator? It allow program to take decision on the base of multiple condition. In general case we use two condition, and for doing that two condition we must have such kind of operator. We use particularly logical and logical or. But in case of third operator not, we use only one condition. But in case of logical and logical or operator, we use in general case two condition. So here first we will discuss about the or operator. Or operator, suppose we are taking the example like this: x value is 4, y value is 2. If you write the equation x greater than y, then ultimately x is greater than y because the x value is 4, so it will be true. True means 1. If we write in reverse, it will be false. So here 1 meaning is you can consider true and 0 meaning is you can consider false. So you observe here or will be treated as a addition operation, because what happened, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is greater than 1. So you can keep in mind when both the conditions are true, result will be true. Here 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So in this way you can easily remember the table of OR operator. Once you understood the table, once you can easily remember, you can easily use the OR operator. So here the important thing is when both conditions are true or any one is true, final one is true. Once both are false, final one is false. So here you can keep this point. Remember, the logical OR operator is only evaluated true when one of its operand evaluate true. So if either or both expression evaluate true, then the result is true, like that. Both are true, last one is true means 1. Next one is AND operator. Again same one. If it is true, 1 value; if it is false, 0. So AND will be treated like multiplication, because 1 into 1 is always 1, 0 into 1 always 0. So important thing is anyone is 0 means anyone is false, last one is false. When both are true, then only the result will be true. So this point is important. If both operand are true, then only the logical AND operator evaluate true. Next point is next operator, NOT operator. It take only one expression, that's why it is known as unary operator. It operate on single operand. It reverse the value of operand. If the value is true, then it give false. If it is false, then it give true. For example, if it is 1, it will be converted into 0. If it is 0, it is converted into 1. So in the case of NOT operator, we use as usual one condition. If it return true, it is converted into false. Now we go in the Eclipse, and there we will use these all three operator, that is AND, OR and NOT. Now I am in Eclipse, and here I declare the two variable x and y. I suppose the x value is 4 and the second variable, that is the y, and its value is 2. So here we have the two variable, and now we are ready to perform operation. So first I take output statement. So here inside the bracket I am using that both the variable you can consider as a operand. So my condition is x greater than y, and here it is better if you use two conditions. Then after this you use the OR operator. So first I am going to use OR operator, then my second condition is reverse, that is x less than y. So here I use the OR operator. Here that semicolon should be used after bracket, and again I copy this statement, and now here I simply remove this operator, and now I am going to use AND operator. Then after that next one is NOT operator. So we need only one expression here, and here before bracket you can use NOT operator. So this operator you have to use that there, and it take only one condition. So now here our program is ready, and we check the output. So what happened here, x greater than y means true, and here second one will be false. So in or anyone is true, then here the output will become true. True means 1. Then in the second case what happened, that second one is false, so any one false, last one is false. And in third one, that is true, but it is converted into false, so your output should be true, false, false. Let's check. So now here you check true. True means here one and then both are false. So I hope friend you understood this concept. So you just practice, your concept will be clear. Thank you.